Odofo mama wakwaba aha eye GCN page so ene ne dai di kan ya wo de ehwe me a mesre na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia be on so we be notification ene sa ne news e de betum bia we nya biatie ana se we nya bia hwe e wo GCN page ha midin e de adwoa sechi na ye de ani ekremu e wo Asante Achim Agogwa ohima oho a ne din e de Nana Ekweokun Sapon ena okase na edensem ena ohimei ede etudwa nensem a okay na ne so ne de onfane feelings ensie obeka oye NDC ni mapa a odo eye omanpani dada wetwem His Excellency Mahama opena sem ye papa because oye NDC ni but no kwasem de say aside so oye NDC ni na odo omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama no hey Nanado His Excellency Nanado Premier Bakope opena semi papa a oda na akoma so esan say His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebeye president onye bias ene say Ashanti region ena mo deserve say mo pempuntuduma o de bema mo se Volta region o mo deserve say mo pempuntuduma o de bema mo en fam say Volta region fo eto aba ede ema NDC fo o manga na nyina eye o mana eda His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo na koma so a chese odoga na papa enti ane na chese Nanado wanya call Emfi Central region, Eastern region, Upper East, Upper West, baby Nanado, ebe nya call efi so mo pe mpuntudwuma bia o de koma omo enti no wabo Nanado na ba so papa say oye NDC ni a odo omanpani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama but Nanado so da na koma so yie papa Nanado akache no wache no esanse Nanado ayobi a otie ni manfo asem na ensem ni sei e na omode etodwa
Chronicle assign the aba. What's all kind of neck sapon? Asante Achim Agogoma hene. No. And watch us say or no or NDC ni. Obia nim Ghana ha. Agogoma for woman nim. Nana kasa. Meseo. What's your NDC bodo? Thank you. Obira fi NDC nyum na dey say.
The NDC shall lead. Some of what you gonna tell me too.
Maybe you are going to do the victory of the NDC is coming again. Let the people say, hey, Jobodo, hey, Jobodo, hey, Jobodo, hey, Jobodo, hey, Jobodo. Let the people say, hey, Jobodo. Nana Akufo-Addo and was one no obi anim so ye NDC ni nanso mampanyi Nana Akufo-Addo obey astrotef fresh
na babo
babo betete na pom yes and wa hey it was so mampanyi Nana Akufo-Addo abaso wo mampanyi Nana Akufo-Addo wono wonhwe say wo ye NDC say wo ye MPP say wo free he empuntunwuma ne sefata ho kwade a ode bema ho ena ode aba ha sei kwa bia sa ndo kotoko he no otu ensantro fofo wo se huhu yete huhu ye nwiem ne de ho ye ka ho nsem ye nya asa suban no na ebo man we Chronicle no enam de sorry media so
yeah sorry suma na ya okasi aba ye nya figure no Tobinko eda no osidima Ghana Police Service no 3.9 million Ghana cedis na we nya mi no bende
Dankwa Akufo-Addo obeye but bibia wo budget mu no eya kakra woni ane kura o kasa enim na o se ejapadil na wo budget mu ejapadil no be say mu etu am nyi free ejapadil be say budget mu say adeti na ejapadil be say ni afa keta defense de no am ewrem
ana na mati say MPB kasa fa so mu di shemo be we demonstration
media I'm the same, I'm in problem. I'm a fan, I'm in problem. But the person say, I'm the question. Now, I'm a man. A better than a bed, you are person true.
Okay.
What the other question budget to know? Oh, money, my budget now, Maswa. A better than what you and I'm the acquired catastrophe first. Now, so Konyaku Pon, you must Ghana for the kind of cry. And this is what I say, catastrophe first and ever. Catastrophe defense. I am so rock on my and so that a podabekum and so that if I am buy. And this is for Mamma Hunde, and I'm more and I'm one Casamutu. MP ojana concert party what do you feel saying how long na we dey say budget team na ba saying ma me dey ho
e come person mo frustrate aban yana
am frustrate am ho aban ben MPP our kwan ben so that the budget team buy the money budget team sika
say papa aban person ye
say papa that you do like her own MB you so like that NDC for baby am tin MPP for baby am tin
you do kania
am jam tin bi say na do nyas cannot the free SHS so the mama afanya ma Ghana for nyina but obi a Ghana bi enka ho some ka ho it is also frustrated budget now frustrated budget now okay fine ababa be say womo quota e twama womo 2022 budget no no efa ni die efa because ababa be say ni die efa ni ntino onyi tu busa ababa be say sikana wo die efa no now say onyi ntum no e dey say wonya bi kura o on say half a loaf is better than none. And but before say be the onuma now to be a being. They said they were rejected. Now one rejected no. Oba dey just kasa dey akosa ho yare every year e wo Dubai. Sikana mo rejected no. Oba dey nya biako. Etima hu ni say bi bebremu MPP no anya o. Ghana for na budget. Ah keta see defense o mo pe bia ye eno so mo. Ghana na budget. Ah wo mo packet ya to mu e wo parliament eno so wo. Na samuti ho. That's a penny for do say. Abu Mishadi be or way so I don't person make Ghana parliament ni. Ghana, your parliament house ni. Ayako.
Estati bra ye speaker.
Ayako. Ayano.
Beto de beto nsa.
That's sad o matoto.
So to nsa bobi.
And sad o matoto.
I say first so
what you say? Na say you members of parliament
serious o
ebinum emu wo ebinum wo mu wo kakra na ya fra we honorable na me sia wa be honorable kama bodam karata
se na bia abufuo
na dey
na man ba
ala obufuo wa no wadwen ni bufuo ti wa no na dwen ada na bufuo wa tete na tade na se ni mu akwa fa table no ada na wa tete na tade na se ni mu. Yes, why MP no free him. Over that's Samai. MP power was Samai. I am from honorable. This kind of character. And I hold the budget honorable free me. Honorable member of parliament. I want to watch Samai. What deserves to buy a budget honorable free me? Coming from out. You don't deserve to be called honorable. You don't deserve to be called honorable. Whatever the situation may be, like a Ghana for her some more. Mo amugu horo mumu bi ba dance ba bia di ama ye tieti ane ebumu what you say enkokko to kwasuban ana na ekoso no ohu ni nkwa ohu ni ti etipa wanu na ye se ebinum akọ school ya omo parliament
ba de na ehuru se na onko na jo west ho ana bufuo so otwe na otehwe ya
oh na
the consequence
na parliament na so omo mra o
parliament na so ho wa na he parliament abi o che akonyere besi wa sana mo pata the same thing ana omo ye speaker no ana ma so da for ko pie ho no mo na sa for no mo ho no mo dwuma no e se bibi ko so am pata no o ma relax
so e bia omo mra nso ye se from na hwe se abamba bentimi hwe finance minister nim e ka tell se wo mpie nko wo babin hwe wo ka tell finance minister so mpie nko e wi ase asentia bibi na ati bibi ama wo wanya tumi se finance minister nko obi on the budget aba obe cheche matro na wati ase no
no ma se rigati akwatra ase hey come your bansom
so to talk kanya de abu so to talk kanya de na wa finance minister nko na MPP for there wo wa ma se bi nkati anko na MPP for atra what say I want to know what say now the issue about Joseph and is what say Asafo and buy say you create Asafo and buy is that my business I don't want me the heading
o ma safety budget no dey akọ
woman if here members of parliament, some of them should put their heads in shame. They should bow their head in shame. For being in parliament. For Mensuda say and you may be an issue who other countries say you know. Now before some of their son of Suno Mobile here, Senegal do have their any more. And I'm saying about to obey members of parliament. You have your dream once. My recommendation say and son of a member of parliament. You be a dream. I said be a madam. Because I'm telling you honestly. So papa more you know more ma. I'm go parliament about say mo ma hwemo. Na wo kwa tia konya. Na
enu de o ka me no nya dwen.
Say
so yes imagine because emra no wo ho. E niam a